एंशिएंट विजडम ओल्ड और कुछ रह गया है?
अच्छा लगा
और कुछ रह गया बता।
एक्चुअली अच्छा लगा
अच्छा अच्छी बात।
बट लेकिन ये तो चार मनी का सही ना सो मैं तुम्हें ज्यादा पैसे दूंगा हमारी हाईलाइट क्यों नहीं बन रही कोई हमारी
ज्यादा पैसे देगा तो बुरा हो गया।
क्या करा मैंने आपको बस
Welcome everybody. Welcome to League Report, where we give you the ins and outs of the league. My name is Shahzan Malik. I'm your host, and with me is the old guy, Ansazar. Also used to be host, now co-host. I mean, that's why you guys got me, because clearly you guys needed the real deal.
Yeah,
So
sure. That's what we got you, Molly.
This-
Anyways, we're going to talk about game week 4 matches, C1.
Super Sunday review.
Very fun Sunday. Very
That was
fun
great.
Sunday. First game we're going to talk about is Omega versus
Beria
Beria
Ballers.
Ballers. Anticipated matchup because obvious reasons last
Yeah.
history.
क्या obvious क्या है? मुझे बताओ ना. What happened?
Slight chipper chatter, you know.
Chipper chatter?
Chipper chatter, you know.
Oh.
Left, right, no handshakes.
अच्छा, chipper chatter is a nice way of saying मुंह मारी.
तरह खेला नहीं जाता गेम और मैंने तमीज़ से खेला गेम के बाद, लेकिन मेरे से बाद में आप अगर वो एक्सपेक्ट करें स्पोर्ट्समैनशिप तो मैं इतना रिस्पेक्ट नहीं देता.
No. बस थोड़ी heated game थी, whatever man. Last quarter finals थोड़ी heated थे. का दोबारा से रीमैच हुआ. It was थोड़ी सी change where no Danish on वगैरह था पे नकाश obviously.
I will give a spoiler. This game had some handshakes at the end, which were not there last time. So, spoiler.
Yeah. It was a good game. थोड़ा सा you can talk about us थोड़ा सा.
Omega played really well. Usman Khalid did Usman Khalid things. Surprisingly scoring this season for some reason. I don't understand where this has been his whole career. All of a sudden he's like, चलो मैं भी score कर लेता हूँ. I mean, 13 points is what puts you in the top 5 just on averages. No, not you specifically, but 13 points. I think that's very high. Yeah.
Barry played a solid game. This game, by the way, had the best sequence I've seen in basketball. A crossover
Yep.
on Asad from Omega.
And then Asad was on the floor.
Yeah.
Actually, he was thinking about क्या मैं बाप उठूँ या ना
And
उठूँ.
on
He's like मैं तो गया हूँ.
on finish that player.
What a player.
And उसी के next play पे
Usman Khalid Mal Asad.
I got
I'm here.
him.
I'm here.
Asad
Don't worry about
Usman
it.
Khalid, money, food, his life, everything. He dropped on
Right after the next
Right
possession
on
on
line.
pretty much the same point, like उसी 3-point line पे खड़ा हुआ है, on गिर गया, on नीचे देख रहा है, क्या है ये था क्या, ये हो क्या मेरे साथ. Oof.
And उसी के बाद आपने शायद वीडियो आगे चली नहीं.
Then on
No,
with a
उसके बाद
pass.
नकाश
नहीं, on made a
Yeah,
pass
Nakash-
to Nakash and one.
And one finish kiya, he was so high, he bumped Temur. Wow, fun sequence.
Yeah, it's great.
That was a very, very fun, physical, challenging game. थोड़ी सी लीड ले ली थी हमने, फिर थोड़ा सा बेंच डाला.
I mean, it was what it was. Beria kept it close,
Yeah,
and then the veteran C1 team put in their bench, and then the bench. अबे मैं C1 यार.
Anyway,
Sorry, yeah, C2 team was Beria. Now they came to C1. So C1 team put their bench in. The bench took control,
Yeah.
and obviously
I think some
after
of the
that
plays
pulled
Beria
away.
made were really very nice to watch. Some of their passing was really, I really liked their passing. Beria plays very compact 3-9 game. Turn got the drop it to the high post, low post, थोड़े से drive in करके baseline जुनाई को देते हैं. Good rotation, अच्छी team है, and they are looking very solid for C1. They just maybe triple S वाला scene है थोड़ा सा 1 or 2 pieces.
I think another thing that we haven't really mentioned is Nakash has changed the way these guys play.
Yeah.
तो उसका भी adjustment period है, and Nakash has fit in well with it.
Yeah.
Okay, like he's played really well. But I've also noticed in games जब वो down जाते हैं, when Nakash is on the floor, then Nakash sits, and then when that lineup, क्योंकि they've played together so much, वो एक push करते हैं.
They generally have a faster pace, so with Nakash on the floor, it just थोड़ा सा slows down.
And I feel like उसमें फिर on gets unleashed a little bit more. Nakash के साथ there's like either Nakash is then on offense,
Yeah.
फिर जब counter हो रहा होता है तो then Nakash is nowhere,
coming back.
so it's easier for them to score.
Yeah.
Or he's on defense,
Yeah.
so then you are playing 4-on-5 offense.
And on
So-
and Blair have a great 1-2 chemistry, and they both like to run the floor. They're both pretty tall. I think both 6+ हैं. Even on is pretty 6+ है easily क्योंकि वो और he's a guard. तो मतलब उनके लिए आसान हो जाता है running the floor. So sky's the limit for these boys. Happy to see them.
And this is just a little bit of things for them to think about जो हमने अभी जैसे डिस्कस किया. ये हमने I mean 4 हफ्ते हो गए हैं, नोटिस हो गई ये चीज़ें, तो इसके ऊपर अगर काम हो जो शुरू हो जाए तो then I think there will be a lot better. हाँ yeah, I mean this is their first season in C1 and they're entrenched. Like ऐसे नहीं है कि कोई relegation के लिए battle कर रहे हैं, unlike some other teams that have been historically here. I mean some teams who are historic C1 teams should be very happy that there are 2 teams currently that are pretty clearly going to C2. अगर कोई तगड़ा होता 7th team,
For sure.
so this would have been a topic.
For sure, agreed.
Yeah. On a completely unrelated note, the next game is 2-3SB versus Mambas, a very old C1 rivalry.
El
These teams,
Clasico, as we like to call it.
I mean, I wouldn't even call it El Clasico. El Clasico is between 2 very different teams from
2
different
classic
places.
teams.
These teams have played
Classless.
together from before love. They've been together. All these players have played
hate
with
each
each other. I mean, we don't hate each other. We like each other.
Zia Musa
but-
has been on record saying
Zia Pupusa speaks for
the
Zia
Mambas.
Pupusa. Zia Pupusa speaks for Zia Pupusa. No, Zia Pupusa is
He
not
said he hates the
is
Mambas.
not a representation of 2-3SB. But I mean, what I will say is I personally am affection for all the guys on Mambas. Okay, they're great guys, they're good players. But when they put on that Mambas jersey,
Yeah.
and when we put on our 2-3SB jersey, I don't want any of them to leave the court happy. मैं इतना बोल दूंगा. And that I
what
think
makes
is a
it
sentiment
fun.
that every single
Yeah.
player that is in 2-3SB and on Mambas will also agree on a retro
That's
like
what makes
reverse.
it so fun, this matchup. It was a great battle. Unfortunately, Mambas, what do I say?
Couldn't rise to the challenge.
Yeah, I
is
mean,
that what you want to say?
No, I'm saying they're struggling a little.
1 in 3 struggling a little. What are you trying to say, man?
Struggling. It's not that. I mean, if it was a close loss, तो फिर भी कुछ थोड़ा होता. It was थोड़ा सा blown, one-sided हो गया था. In the end, I mean,
They kept it close for a very long time, but I mean, I also,
I don't think it was-
yeah, I mean,
It wasn't close because of that.
halftime we were 33-20, and I think first quarter पे was 21-10.
Yeah.
Consistently 10-point lead से game चल रही थी, which is very sad because even as a competitor, like I said, like I rate Mambas very highly.
Yeah.
So for us also, it was a little much of a letdown because we measure our success by our competitors. So if they're not coming up to par, like it hurts us to an extent. Like yeah, we're happy that we won, but we want competition to be there.
And I think
They have so much talent.
So that's why it's sad. I think their style of play needs to. I mean, ये मेरी observation. I mean, Mambas मेरे पीछे ना पड़ जाए, please मुझे मानने ना आ जाना. लेकिन उनका style of play is not really producing the results, and I think they need to change that a little. Maybe not play as lightning fast as they've been playing. I mean, they were trying to beat you on pace all the time, and you had rotations as well. They have a bench, but they don't have trust in their bench. Amar wasn't playing. I think that's also very.
I don't know if he was injured
He
or
is injured,
yeah,
he is
so he
injured.
wasn't playing because of
Amar
injury.
can't play.
That makes a difference to
for
the
sure,
defense.
For sure, it hurts their defense. And then there was a little lack of chemistry. I would say synergy उस तरह नहीं है जिस तरह with Zen and Saad and then Nomi as well. थोड़ा सा ये.
We should also say that they're trying to incorporate big pieces.
Yeah.
Bakhtiar coming back and Zen coming back. Zen joining them is a big piece.
Yeah, for sure.
I want to, just because I think we're going to switch over from Mambas, I want to talk about one more thing with Mambas. It's very clear they have 4 big guys and that's it. Mustafa hai, Bakhtiar hai, Nomi hai, and I'm sorry if I'm forgetting someone, but there's basically only 4 true bigs on their team, but they're still playing a 2 guard and 3 forward lineup. That makes no sense. Play 3 guards, commit to it. Since you have a gluttony of guards, you have so many guards who deserve minutes. I don't think Ramesh played a second in our
he
game,
didn't.
and he's coming off an RBL championship.
He didn't even play in the Omega Valley game.
So like if you have players with talent, like not just regular talent, like championship level talent, you need to be able to at least get them onto the floor. And if you clearly have a disbalance in your roster, so don't make that like something that you want to just still be like pigeonhole के नहीं यार मैं अपने अपने यही दो गार्ड्स खेलूंगा और तीन बिग्स खेलूंगा.
वो अडेप्ट नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, उनके लाइनअप पे उनकी स्ट्रेटजी वही चल रहा जा रहा है. बट खैर दैट्स अप टू देम टू फिगर आउट. आई विल से 2-3 SB is looking pretty good this season. You've added obviously Timmy and the Timmy Sallu duo. I mean Sallu running the floor, defending really well in spurts, finishing a few layups left and right, and then Zafar bhai having पता नहीं किस तरह का सीजन चल रहा है उनका. उमर से ज़्यादा रिबाउंड्स ले रहे हैं, समझ से उमर बेरली उमर खेल रहा है. I don't even know who plays center in 2-3 SB. Umar is half the time he's on the bench. तो मतलब it's between Sallu and Umar, but mostly मतलब समझ नहीं आ रही क्या आ रहा है. Rebound leader इनका Z है, जफर भाई है. Z Abu Musa second पे आ रहा है. He barely plays 2 quarters, and Timmy is just hammering everything because it's not just the scoring Timmy is doing. It's his assisting बहुत ज़्यादा. He's assist में number 1 है, number 2 है. I don't know.
मैं तुम्हें एक और बात बताऊं, अभी तक तुमने जितने भी नाम लिए, तुमने शाफ का नाम नहीं लिया और अरम का नाम नहीं लिया.
आराम का नाम
अब तुम सोचो कि हमारी टीम का क्या सिचुएशन है कि जब तुम फॉर्मर MVP एंड जो एक्सप्लोसिव टैलेंट जो शाफ है, तुमने उसका नाम ही नहीं लिया. आई डू वांट टू शाउट आउट जो तुमने अभी नाम लिया है, सल्लू. Sallu has been a complete revelation. We were expecting things from him, but he has surpassed it beyond our wildest expectations. तुम मुझे बताओ कि what do you think his average points per game है? 8.5. 8.5, which is insane. How much does he play, and how much is he shooting? Like how many shots is he taking? Is all hustle, and it's all like जितने भी मुझे opportunity मिल रही है, मैं उसका आपको maximum दूंगा. That's amazing.
It's looking really like 2-3 SB looking pretty strong right now. Not gonna lie. Top finish लग रहा है इनका.
Inshallah.
और yeah, देखते हैं आगे क्या होता है. Next game we're gonna talk about is Bounce Sabres,
which was highly anticipated. We thought it was going to be a great game, but unfortunately.
I mean Bounce का सरप्राइज ही नहीं खत्म हो रहा. वो एक दिन आती है उल्टी लेटी होती है, एक दिन आती है
और वैसे तगड़े आते फिर.
शेर आ गया मतलब. Before this match, Bounce was warming up with running around the court, doing stretches. जैसे मैं studio full stretch हो रहा है. मतलब बहुत different लग रहा था.
But that showed you that SMF was going to go off in that game.
For sure.
He had his imprints from the very start of the game, and he just kept at it.
The first 3 of the game, I think the first shot he made was the 3. मतलब never looked back. And I said on commentary कि ये बंदे को आपने गरम क्यों होने दे रहे हैं? ये तो dangerous sign है. आप पहले मिनट से गरम होने दे रहे हैं.
And he was a player of the game, deservedly so. And I also want to say that he is probably the most underrated shooter in this league, because हम लोग ज़हीर ब्रदर्स की बात करते हैं, हम टिमी की बात करते हैं, हम सैयद की बात करते हैं, उस्मान खालिद की बात करते हैं. एज शूटर्स, एज प्योर शूटर्स हम कभी शेजर का नाम ही नहीं लेते. ही इज नंबर 1 4 weeks in. मतलब half the season is done and he's been number 1 since day 1. And no one is like हाँ ये नंबर 1 है अभी है.
और अब आप उसका वो नॉक नहीं कह सकते कि the guy doesn't play defense. क्या मतलब सिर्फ शूटर है, liability है. He's also very amped up, defending every play. He got a really few great steals. He got a steal off and got a 3 off it बीच में. He's a very solid, and the energy he has, the locker room presence he has, I think.
And ठंडा बंदा है, like to his own teammates. Obviously, if you're playing against him, वो तो आपको खा जाएगा. But like to his own teammates, he's like,
मसला नहीं है यार, हो जाएगा. Bounce really needs that. It's a very good piece for Bounce to have, and shockingly, Mohsen बहुत amped up आया. He rallied his troops. इनमें something बहुत ही different, अच्छी की. मतलब पहली दफा मैं देख रहा था इतनी अच्छी rotation थी इनकी वजह से. But Sabres were missing their captain.
HP,
not captain, but a key figure. Hassan bhai was traveling couldn't उधर से flight late.
उधर से दिल जीत से आ गया वो.
दिल जीत के आ गया.
उधर दिल जीत के आया. इधर दिल हार गया.
But वो पहुंच नहीं पाए. But the Sabres, even without him, put up a great fight. I don't think for a minute I heard anybody complain. They were continued huddles थे, timeouts में the energy was positive. I was commentating मुझे नज़र आ रहा था. It was a good sign to see. But थोड़ी सी key issues उनके यही थे कि who was going to carry the offensive load. Nehal wasn't scoring. Nehal एक free throw line पे खेल रहा था. He couldn't do much from there. He was looking for cuts, कोई cut नहीं रहा था. उसकी अपना jumper नहीं हो रहा था. Mohsen पे वो drive नहीं कर पा रहा था. And on the other hand, Rana Athar coming back for Mohsen.
Was a big boost for them.
He got like 3 fouls on Hamza. He got like 2 fouls on Nehal. तो मतलब उसने बहुत ड्रॉ कराया. फिर made his free throws as well. तो overall Sabres थोड़ा सा struggle कर गया. I would have liked to see a complete matchup with them.
But I found it surprising क्योंकि actually not so surprising because like you said Hassan wasn't there. But when they played against Mambas,
Yeah.
it was a very composed game and it kept going back and forth. The thing I've noticed about Sabres in this game was when they got down, they played like, ab hum aa jayenge.
Yeah.
They weren't playing like, we'll get into our spots and we'll carry it forward. But I mean,
Maybe
this
that's
is how
the
you learn.
Sunrise,
Maybe they trust that him being there would somehow get them through. But this is something they need to work on because they are also, like we've seen, they are very talented.
For sure.
And they should have been able to at least keep it competitive even without Hassan. But the thrashing that they got was unexpected. And I mean, obviously credit goes to Bounce. They also were coming off a loss and they made a statement again. They're like, हम कहीं नहीं जा रहे, हम compete करेंगे. So
Rani had a great game. Ranath had a great game. Anas Usman had a huge jump and 3-point shooting for them.
Anas Usman also hit.
Anas hit a 3. Shazar hit 6 threes. Mohsen had 3 threes.
I mean, what do you do when Mohsen's hitting 3 threes?
Shabu had 1 3. मतलब only one who didn't have a 3 was Shamir. अब आप सोचे. Everybody.
शामी ने बोला यार आज मैं आउटसोर्स कर रहा हूँ अपना काम.
कुछ नहीं कर रहा.
ये आज मैं डेलीगेट कर रहा हूँ, आप लोग ले लें.
What do you do versus the tallest lineup if they hit the threes? तो मतलब they're looking scary once more.
वैसे सोचो अगर शामिर if he went off तो क्या हशर होता सेबर्स का.
जो बात है. And अभी inside game हुई नहीं. अभी मतलब जिससे डर रहे थे. तो मतलब something for Sabres to look at. I urge them to go revisit that.
Watch the footage. See what you did
जो
right.
free throw वाला निहाल वाला play
Throw,
है, I
sorry.
would urge you कि आप उसको थोड़ा change करें, modify करें, उससे कुछ create नहीं हुआ. पूरी game वो वही करते रहे and Bounce just easily countered it.
And unfortunately, we can't even mention any highlights or good players from Sabres. हम मैंने हैदर का नाम नहीं लिया, मैंने हरेज का नाम नहीं लिया. हम सिर्फ वो बोल रहे हैं निहाल ने wanted to play off the free throw line, वो नहीं हो सकता.
वो नहीं हो सका. हरेज में थोड़ा left right jumpers मार दिए थे. That's the only score they had, I think. Fast break भी नहीं लग रहे थे, कुछ भी नहीं basically किया.
Yeah.
हमजा के maybe jumpers थोड़े
Yeah.
से बोल सकते. हमजा hit a few jumpers but then he fouled out, तो वो भी फिर कुछ नहीं हो सका. बस all around थोड़ा सा chaos था. But they'll work on it, I hope. So that's it for today's episode. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like, share, and subscribe. It really helps us out. It helps you out. It helps the league out. It helps basketball in Pakistan out. So please,
And please comment. Please guys, share, comment.
क्या करूँ? Comment कर लें यार. Please comment.
Please यार, for my safety, please.
Okay, thank you. Allah Hafiz. Bye.
उसमें फुटबॉल में बैकवर्ड डायलेशन फुटबॉल में बैकवर्ड डायलेशन
Entertaining हो जाती है बस.
That would have been way more simple.
But football.
That's what I'm saying. If you